Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel DY Agri Corner. In this channel, today we are going to discuss regarding how to prepare agronomy section and how to score good marks in agri exams with lesser effort. So, in this video, we'll discuss every aspirants have doubt in their mind how to strategize their topic so that they can score good marks that will help them to be ahead from other competitors in the exam. So again, welcome to my channel DY Agri Corner. If you have not subscribed my channel, kindly do subscribe the channel so that you can get all notification of the videos. So guys, I will discuss regarding agronomy in general, very important for all agri related exams. So in every exams we can expect 5 to 10 marks from this topic. So it is very vast topic in general, but I will tell you guys how to approach this topic while you are preparing for any exam. So let's start our video. Basically, that agronomy itself I have divided into various aspects that are crop, practical parts, varieties, institution, conceptual based, data and facts. From this you can expect some question in the examination. Okay, the main motto of our video is how we should prepare properly in with our lesser effort, how we can score better in the exam so that we can crack any exam and will get seat in the government job. Okay guys, so first thing is that when you are preparing for any examination, you should understand what we should prepare, because in general agronomy, as I told, very vast in subject, so it's not possible for us to read each and everything, and this is not a correct way of approach to read each and everything, but we should focus on certain areas where we can expect some important questions, and those questions we can answer. If we will answer, then we can surely we will crack the exam. So these areas I have divided agronomy. Again I am saying you crop, practical parts, varieties, institution, concept based, fact and datas. Okay guys. First thing is that we'll discuss regarding crop. See, when you are preparing for crop, that is very important in all agri related exams. So we can expect some questions based on crop. So in crop, what we should read? Okay, what we should prepare, that comes in our mind. So in crop we should prepare for scientific name, broad classification of crops, origin of crops, cultural practices, leading state. Okay, in that first thing is scientific name. Normally the scientific name usually asked in exam like JRF, SRF like that, but if you come for AFO exams and Nabard exams, then there generally they won't ask scientific name. But if you go to interview stage, in interview sometimes they used to ask regarding scientific names. Okay, next it come to broad classification of crops. Here we should understand how the crop is classified under various part, that is maybe some classification is based on, example I am giving, water requirement, that is rainfall based or irrigated based. Sometimes it based on origin of crops. Okay, sometimes it based classification based on root system, that is taproot or fibrous root, like that. Some origin that is broad classification of crop is there, you need to read that things. Okay, next it is origin of crop. Origin of crop, for some important crop is very important, we should know, because their direct question might not come in the exam, but we will face some questions like what is the climatic condition requirement. We can at least we can, if you have mind that this crop is usually cultivated in this area, so you can accordingly you can use your mind and you can solve any type of questions if they asked you. So it is very important for you to know the origin of crop. Next thing is that the crop where it is origin means there some institution will be there, so institutional based questions also sometimes they used to ask, so you can answer those things. Next it comes that cultural part, that is it includes spacing, seed rate, soil type, climatic condition. In cultural practices you can expect direct questions, some 1 to 2 question will be asked directly from these cultural practices. You need to remember spacing, very important. seed type, it is also very important. Next, climatic condition, it is also very important. Then it comes that leading state. So leading state, here when you are preparing for any crop, you should know where it is grown, area wise, production and productivity. Okay guys, this is also very important for you to remember this type of things. Next come is that practical aspects. See guys, when we are studying, we used to study for some period of time. Some years we have studied, that includes our in classroom as well as some practical we used to do, that is in the field level. So when you are appearing for any exams, usually the job role of field officer or any agricultural graduates is related to field itself. So sometimes examiner want to check your practical knowledge. So every question that will be very general in nature in this aspect, and they used to usually ask what is going on in the field level. For example, I have given irrigation practices usually we follow in potato cultivation. Everyone knows region furrow type of irrigation. So this type of direct questions also they used to put in the exams. Some question they used to ask based on tillage practices. What are their advantages and disadvantages related questions also. And what are the implements also you used in tillage practices, that also they used to ask. Some question can be based on intercropping, mixed cropping. Okay guys. Next the part comes, that is varieties. Here in varieties, usually our graduates, what happens, they when they are preparing for exam, they don't know how to remember the variety properly, because there are lot of varieties available in the book and it is not possible for a aspirant to remember each and every variety. So here I will tell you how you will read the varieties, on what aspect you will read the varieties. Here I have classified as 4 aspects that is very important, you know, that is important crops in India. Next is on basis of certain characteristics. Next is on production quality. Next is released from various important institutions. So guys, our main focus is to crack any exam. It's not that we'll go on reading, but at the exam we'll face difficulty or confusion. No, we should not do that. So when it comes to important crops in India, you should know how the important crops, how will classified as important crop. That is those crops which are grown in mass, in larger area, in larger state, in our country. Okay guys, where the production or productivity is more, whether when they have some geographical importance, those type of crops we need to remember the varieties. Like I have mentioned, rice, wheat, maize, groundnut, millets, sunflower, rapeseed, mustard, cotton, jute. Okay guys, next comes is that certain characteristics. How these are classified, like dwarfness. Okay, this is because in area, if there is lesser area and we want more productivity, so we can take dwarf varieties. Resistant to various diseases and pest. Okay, suppose in some areas there is more incidence of disease and pest, but this variety works very good and for that diseases or pest, so that is also very important. Then drought tolerant, salinity tolerant, climatic condition adaptability, etc. Then next is basis of production quality. Here high productivity quality, grain size, color of the grain, aromatic quality, etc. Next is released from various important institutions. Institutions like ICR, IRRI, then IRI, or project director and state agri institution. These are also very important for you to remember. Next is institutions related to agriculture. This is also very important guys. Some institutional based questions also usually we will see in each and every exams. Okay, so we can expect some questions based on this. So how we will remember these things? Some ICR institutions are there, some deemed institutions are there. You should remember this number also. National research institutes are there, national bureaus are there. How many? There are 6 in number. Project directors are there, international institutions also are there. So you need to remember these things also. Next is our database type of questions. Okay guys, here recent data related to agronomy is very important, and you should remember the current data as well as past 2 to 3 years of data also. Nowadays they used to ask in the examination. They used to compare in examination. So you should not face any problem related to database. So these are very direct in general. Here you can score good marks. Okay, it includes highest production and productivity in the state, cropping pattern followed in various states. In my previous videos I have discussed regarding cropping pattern also. You can go through that. Then MSP of various crops that are updated. So you should keep on updating yourself. Budget allocation. Next, important report and ranking by various government. That is also very important, like Nabard. Okay, then IRI reports, then Ministry of Agriculture, that reports, that you need to remember each and everything. Okay, in next videos I will, in my upcoming videos also I will prepare each and everything for you, so you no need to worry for that. I will provide you each and everything before the examination. Okay guys. Next is that conceptual based questions. See guys, here examiners want to check how you could able to relate certain terminologies in the exam. Sometimes how they will give questions like, they will give the definition. Okay, then you have to relate what is that, whether it is cropping pattern, whether it is cropping system or leaf area index. In this way you have to remember certain terminologies. Those are very important for the examination. Okay guys, here also you can expect some questions, so you have to remember terminology. Okay, here I have written some terminologies. Please go through that. In my upcoming videos I will discuss each and every terminologies and MCQ based on these terminologies also. Thanks for watching guys. In this way we have completed our part video of how we should prepare for agronomy. So I hope you have a grip how to prepare for agronomy part, and in this way I will provide you each topic how you will going to prepare, and on that topic I will provide you every videos. You should see all videos properly. Okay guys, for next video please stay tuned. For our next video we will have how we should prepare for current affairs, and I will give you some current affairs also. So guys, don't forget to subscribe my channel, like my channel and share my channel. Thank you guys. Have a great day.